When I began our evolution course, I knew we would have to understand natural selection, but I did not realize I really didn't understand what natural selection was at all. I always understood natural selection to be survival of the fittest, that the strongest and best fit organisms survive to pass on their genes to the next generation. It turns out that that is not the case at all. It should not be the survival of the fittest. It should actually be survival of the good enough, as it is the more accurate description of natural selection. Not every species has to be the fittest to survive. Using survival of good enough is more accurate because most species aren't the strongest or the best, they're just able to survive long enough to be able to reproduce. Survival of the good enough relates to natural selection, as this selection is what drives evolution. Those species that are able to survive long enough to be able to reproduce will have their genes passed down to the next generation.
Created using Powtoon.